Hi everybody, welcome to week 3 in band. I wanted to go over our objectives and assignments for this week and to offer a little bit of help where I could. Okay, the first thing we want to do is the music math worksheet that is posted in the Google form. That's in Google Classroom. Okay, in a couple minutes I'm going to go over some help with that and how I can help you with that. 2, make sure you have made a Smart Music account. We need Smart Music moving forward with the exercises and things that we will be playing, okay? 3, practice the selection that I have assigned to you in Smart Music. As soon as you open up Smart Music, the assignment will be posted for you. Smart Music will track how long you have spent in the program, how long you have been practicing, and it will tell me your accuracy once you've recorded something. And that's the last step. By the end of the week, I need you to record the exercise that I have posted, and we need to have a 70% or higher in order to pass. Moving forward, the gradebook is not going to have A, B, and C, and so on. It's going to have S or N. S means satisfactory, N means needs improvement. If you reach 70% or better on the things that I assign to you, you will get an S in the gradebook. If you are at 69% or lower, it will say N, needs improvement, okay? I also wanted to offer sign-ups for video lessons with me. I sent a link to all of your parent and guardians explaining that I was offering between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock every school day 20-minute video lessons. If you would like to sign up for a lesson, please tell your family to open up their email that is associated with PowerSchool and to sign you up. At this time, I'm not having students sign themselves up. I want to make sure that the parent is aware that you are signing up for a video lesson with me, okay, just for privacy issues, all right? So a 20-minute lesson could be me helping you with the music math. The 20-minute lesson could be me helping you with whatever I have assigned in Smart Music. Or it could just be, if you would like to play for me, even if it's something outside of the Smart Music assignment, if you would like to play for me and have me hear you, it's a great chance for me to give you some feedback and to help you with your instrument, because our goal as we are moving forward is to have you maintain the skills that you have with your instrument and to show some growth. Okay, most importantly, we need to maintain the skills that we have and to show a little bit of growth. If at any time your instrument is causing you stress or frustration, set it aside. It is not the highest of priority. Your well-being is more important. So if my assignment is causing you stress, you've got to communicate and let me know. I'm having a hard time with this. I'll get to it another time, whatever you need, okay? Please communicate with me. I do not want to add stress to your plate. I want your instrument and music to be something that you can turn to. Okay, I want it to be something that you can turn to during this time. So let me shrink my screen and walk you through the Google form. Okay, let's see if this lets me shrink. There I am. And let's go to musical math. Let's go side by side. Okay. Move myself here. All right, so this is your Google form for the musical math. There are 10 questions. 5 of them are addition and 5 of them are subtraction. So the first 5 are addition. I need you to add a quarter note, add to a half rest. Now, I gave you the PDF. You have to open this separately, but I gave you the PDF to help you with differentiating between some of the rests that when you see it all by itself, you might not remember which one is which. Here's our chart that says that we have whole note, whole rest, 4 beats. Half note, half rest, 2 beats. Quarter note, quarter rest, 1 beat. And for level 1, this is music math level 1. I'm not going any further than that, okay? Here's a quick way that you can remember the difference between the whole rest and the half rest, or the way that I remembered the difference when I was your age. For this one, if I was walking along the line here, I would fall in that hole. Okay, that's a whole rest. I would fall in that hole. For the half rest, this to me looks like a top hat. It looks like a hat, and that is 2 beats. Hat sounds like half. Half rest is 2 beats, okay? So over here, quarter note plus half rest. That is a 1 beat plus a 2 beat rest equals a numeric value, and you will choose quarter rest plus half rest. If you have the chart side by side, you can double check. Quarter rest, half rest. We're adding those two. Whole note plus whole rest. If I was walking along the line, I would fall in that hole. That is a whole rest. Here's the whole note. Here is the whole rest. They each are 4 beats each, so we are adding that together. A 4-beat whole note plus a 4-beat whole rest. Quarter note plus quarter rest. Whole note plus half note. And now we're into subtraction. We need to subtract the value of the whole rest minus the half rest. Here is the whole rest, 4 beats, minus a half note, 2 beats. Whole note minus quarter rest. Half rest minus half rest. Whole rest, I would fall in that hole. Whole rest minus quarter note. And lastly, half note minus quarter note. Okay, so complete that and turn that in for me, please. And let's open this back up a bit wider. Now let's talk about, actually I'll show you the one-on-one help document. Let me move my face out of the screen. So right now I have times open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've got times open all over the place here. I did just send your family, your parent or guardian this email earlier this morning. So if they've opened their email recently, they may or may not have seen it. And if they don't often open their email, please ask your parent or guardian whatever they have associated with PowerSchool. If you want to sign up for a 20-minute lesson, you sign up, and then we will reach each other with our Google Hangout. Okay, so we'll just open up that camera. The district did reinstate Google Hangout, so you are able to use that now. Okay, and I've already done it a few times with a couple students. It was fantastic. So please take advantage of this. Okay, I miss you. I want to work with you. I want to hear you play. I want to help you. So please sign up. I hope to see all of these are filled. Now, since I am allowing your families to update this document, I also said, please do not change other people's entries. Okay, so don't delete somebody else in there and then put yourself in there. So leave whoever has already signed up, leave that be. Okay, let's talk about smart music. All right, let me move myself out of the screen a little bit. Actually, I want to go to, let me see if it let me go big. All right, there I am. Okay, so smart music. Here is an example of your Chromebook. It's nice having a junior high student in the household here because I know exactly what materials you have and what it will look like on your end. So one of your assignments last week was to make your smart music account. If you haven't done that yet, you must do it. It takes just a couple minutes. Enter in the class code that I posted and you will have your smart music account. All right, I asked my son to save it in his favorites. Let's see if he did that. He did. Okay, it's down here, smart music. Okay, so there's a little glare here. It's actually saying, before I log in, which version of smart music. There's the old school, which is the black screen. Okay, this is the old school smart music, and this is the new school, the updated. We are using this updated, so let's choose the one with the white background. He had his Chromebook remember his login and his password, and yep, it actually already has logged him in. That's a great feature. Let it remember your login and your password. Okay, your login username is supposed to be the first parts of your email, like 28 Perry 1234. That was supposed to be your username. Your password is supposed to be the same as your school password. That's what I asked you to do when you made the account. All right. So here, I can't play this example for you because this right here is the 6th grade example, but I did put an exercise. I'm not trying to pick anything that's really difficult or challenging right now. For this week, I want to make sure that everybody can use the program and understands how it grades, how to turn something in, okay? So I picked something that is very similar to what we would do in warm-up during band. And it's try to get it without the glare. Okay. Over here it says start. Smart Music will tell me how long you have spent in the program practicing the music. Okay. So he would click start since this is Mitchell's. It's asking him to select his part. Maybe he didn't specify when he signed up. So he would pick whatever instrument you're playing and it loads it for you. So at this time, I'm going to go back to my screen and I'm going to show you what your assignment looks like and how it's scored. Let's see, I need to shrink myself here. Okay. So this is your assignment for the week, but this is just the flute part. I have my flute with me today, so we're going to demo with that. Up here, I have play. I have record. Over here in the corner, the top left corner, it is suggesting that I play it at 88 beats per minute. You are welcome to click the minus sign and to go slower than that, or to click the plus sign and to go faster than that. All right. So I'm going to leave it at the set 88. I'm going to leave it there. And right now, I would expect you to click play and to play through it. When you're ready, you would click the red record button, and we are aiming for 70% or better for me to put an S in the grade book for satisfactory. Okay, remember we're not using letter grades moving forward, satisfactory or needs improvement. I see that this is called key of E flat. For me, that means I have a B flat, E flat, A flat. I have 4/4 in my time signature. There are 4 beats per measure. Let's check my volume. I'm going to just turn it down so it's not overpowering. All right, let's record it, see how I do. Oh, prepare to record. All right, thank you. Test your microphone. Okay, start. Green is good. Green means that I played it accurately and it recorded me. Red means it did not record me playing that pitch at that time. I remember playing it, but it's probably being picky. I have mine on the picky setting. So let's look in the corner. It gave me an 89% accuracy. I'm happy with that. We want 70% or better. So here, since this is not I'm not logged in as a student. I'm logged in as just a user. There are buttons here that say delete this take, save the take. You will have the word submit right here. I would have to save this. I would click save and it would save it. And then after it's saved, you will have your submit. You're able to turn it in. And that's how I'm going to see your progress. Okay? All right, let me go back to big camera mode. All right, everyone, remember you have a Google form, Music Math. You need to make sure you have the Smart Music account. You need to practice that exercise. When you are ready, please record it and and submit it to me through Smart Music. It will let me know your percentage. We need 70% or higher to be a satisfactory in the grade book. All right. And if you want a video lesson, please talk to the parent or guardian that is in PowerSchool, that's listed in PowerSchool. and sign up for a video lesson. I would love to see you. I would love to hear you, and I would love to work with you the best way that we can. Okay? All right, so email me with any questions or concerns. Let me know if you need anything for your instrument. I will do anything that I can to help you. All right? Take care, everybody. Bye.